Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today is 29th March 2021 and today we doing the exercise 1B page number 6 and 7 of Countdown book 5. So students, open your page number 6. Today's our lesson is exercise 1B, but before starts our lesson we see some examples. Open your page number 5. Here some examples of addition and subtractions. Addition and subtraction. Adding and subtracting very big numbers with 7 and 8 digits in simple provided we are carefully to write columns neatly and carefully and work from the ones column first. Our first example is addition. 8 plus 2 is 10. We write here 0. 1 carry. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We write here 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. We write here 0 and 1 carry. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. We write here 2 and 1 carry. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. We write here 0. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Our answer is 7062092. Our second example is subtractions. When we subtract the first value in second value, our first value must be greater, but here our first value is smaller, then we take 1 carry in it. Here our value is 14. Now our value is 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Here we have 5, but we didn't 5 minus 9 because our first value is smaller and second value is greater. Then we again take a carry. We take carry in it, and here now 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. Here we have 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Here we take 1 carry in it, and 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Here we have 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Notice, when 0 is added to our numbers, the result remains the same. For example, 156 plus 0 is 156. जब हम 0 को किसी numbers में add करते हैं, हमारे पास उसका आंसर सेम रहता है. When 0 is subtracted from our numbers, the result remains the same. Example 78 minus 0 is equal to 78. Open your page number 6. Exercise 1B. Here 6,920,110 is 20,110 more than 6,900,000. The sum of unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 4 million, unit 10, 100,000, 10, 100,000, 900, 52,106 and unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100, 900,000 is. जब हम इनका सम करेंगे, सम मीन हमने दो वैल्यूज़ को लिखना है, उनको प्लस करना है. आप दो वैल्यूज़ को वर्टिकल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट वैल्यू को लिख लेंगे पहले, सेकंड वैल्यू को बाद में लिखेंगे. आप उसको प्लस करेंगे. 6 प्लस 0 इज़ 6. 0 प्लस 0 इज़ 0. 1 प्लस 0 इज़ 1. 2 प्लस 0 इज़ 2. 5 प्लस 0 इज़ 5. 9 प्लस 9 इज़ 18. वी राइट हियर 8 एंड 1 कैरी. 4 प्लस 1 इज़ 5. फिर आप उसका आंसर यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे. और आंसर इज़ 5852,106. Here is a value is greater than the unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 5,874,813 is greater than the 5,774,813 by 100,000. We write the value like this and we subtract the first value and second value. 3 minus 3 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. Our answer is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000. G is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 3,421,792 and 4,201,792 together makes. जब आप इन दोनों को करेंगे, आप फर्स्ट वैल्यू लिखेंगे, उसमें सेकंड वैल्यू को वर्टिकल फॉर्म में आप लिखेंगे. इस तरह आप इन दोनों वैल्यूज़ को लिख लेंगे, आप फिर उनको प्लस करेंगे. 2 + 2 is 4, 9 + 9 is 18, 8 we write here 8, and 1 carry 7 + 7 is 14, 1 carry 1 5, 15 we write here 5, 1 carry 1 + 1 + 1, 1 2 3, 2 + 2 is 4, 4 + 4 is 8, 3 + 3 we write here the answer. डिफरेंस था, जब आप दो वैल्यूज़ का डिफरेंस फाइंड करेंगे आपने वर्टिकल फॉर्म में उसे लिखना है. उनको दो वैल्यूज़ को आप इस तरह वर्टिकल फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, आप उनको माइनस करेंगे. Our first value is smaller, then we take a carry in it, and 12 minus 3 is 9. We have 6 minus 2 is 4. Here is a 0, we take a 1 carry in it, and 10 minus 8 is 2. We have 9 minus 0 is 9. Here we have a 0, and we take a 1 carry in it, and now we have a 10 minus 1 is 9. Here we have a 5, we take 1 carry in it, and 15 minus 6 is 9, 8 minus 5 is 3. We write our answer in this blank. Our second is state whether the following are true or false. If one added to the greatest 8 digits number, it makes the smallest 9 digits number is true. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000.